Today's topic is how to download and install Eclipse. For this, we need to have the to install Eclipse. So it's better to have JDK installed because while installing the Eclipse, it will take the path of JDK. Okay, for that, you need to go to the previous video and know how to download and install Java. Next, we need to come here and download and install the Eclipse for learning Java. Okay, first I will open the google.com and I will give it as a Eclipse download. Okay, here we will go to the Eclipse website, Eclipse ID, Eclipse ID, and just click on the download latest version. It will navigate to the downloader page. Download the 32-bit, 64-bit supported Eclipse. Just click on download. You are able to see the Eclipse download got started. Already it has that one. I do have the second. Okay, once it is downloaded, just uh, we need to navigate to the show in the folder. Already I do have, that's why I'm not I'm canceling this one and just I will go to the downloads page. Here we are able to see the already existing is there. I'm clicking on the double click on the application. Installation got started, the panel got started. Just give it as a Eclipse ID for the Java developers. Okay, if you want to give it as a ID for enterprise Java and web applications, like okay, I will go with this one because in future I am going to make use of the ID for TypeScript, JavaScript, and other YAML files also. That's why I am going with this one. Okay, click on this one, and it is taking as a it is already asking 17 plus virtual machine required, Java virtual machine. It's automatically took the path of JDK. Okay, whatever JDK jar is available, it is showing up if you see the drop down option. If you want to download, like actually it's a download option. It's dynamically downloads and keeps somewhere. If you want to make use of download JVM also. Okay, Java virtual machine, Java. Just install it. Once it is completed, we are able to launch it and just create a new project and execute small program. That is how we will execute one program in the Eclipse IDE. I'm launching it, creating desktop shortcut. Okay, create a start menu. Both are required. Okay, it is asking where you want to create your workspace. Browse. Okay, in the C panel, C user my name, and it is giving as a Eclipse workspace. Launch. It's fine for me. If you want to create your own workspace, like divided by course related, or if it is core Java, like that, you can create it. Create the simple Java project I want to create a project and Java project, and next, just I want to give it name as a core Java. Just I'm giving core Java, and it is going to use the JRE as Java SC21. What I will do is name it as core Java. I'm going to use the um, existing JRE, and okay, it's fine. Next, so C folder is going to create finish open prospect. Okay, we are able to see core Java and library. It is using 21 Java SE, and these are all the jars which are available in the Java download folder. Like let's see what are where we can find all those jars. I will go to the C folder, and here what I will do is I will open the program files, Java, and JDK, and here J modules. It's actually changed to JMod. Can't see here SRC. Okay. Here you are able to see all the library files. Okay, SRC files in the library SRC. You are able to see all of the jar files available here. Um, Java base compiler, all these are available here. All these are available here. Again, this is also simple folder structure. Inside that you are able to see under security. These are the Java files. This is also small Java project only internally. Jar files created for that, and all Java files is resides inside the um, SRC. Okay, in the SRC you may find different folders, but end of the day it is a source code. It contains a source code. Okay, this is the project creation. Now we need to create a simple Java program. I will delete this one. Just I want to add simple class here, new class, and I'm going to create first.java. I can make it as first. I want to make this as a give public modifier, and I want a simple public static requirement method inside that finish. Okay, it is saying package name core Java and class name first. It should be same as a class name, and public static void main parameters we are passing, string type of arguments we are passing here, and I want to print on the console. Just I want to see output whatever we have in the first class, that is just I will write the code here. Standard out println system is a class and out is a println is a method, and here I want to pass some string here. Welcome to records. Just execute this one, save this one, and execute this one. Okay, we are able to see our output. Whatever we are given here inside the double quotations, we are able to fetch. Okay, out. What is out actually? Okay, let's see. This is a class. Inside the class, this is the one of the uh, just variable tag. Okay, this is a variable tag. You can see it here actually. Click on the control, open that. You are able to see this one, open declaration. Click on the control and navigate to that um, whatever you want to see. Actually, if it is predefined, you are able to see, or your implementation, if you have already implementation, you can open your methods also, your variables also. Okay, here I'm open out. Actually it belongs to system only. I'm clicking on system. Here only you are able to find out. Out means output, nothing but output. Which line it contains? Okay, it is showing in the 170 line. Directly open the system, the 170th line. Previously we opened this one only, right? Okay, what we can understand is here three things. One is the we are creating one class here. Inside the class we do have the two things. One is variables, and second one is the methods. Okay, uh, properties of the class is called variables, and actions we perform on the variables, that is called methods. Okay, this is the first one we need to understand with respect to the Java class. Thank you.